A very good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And we are taking a look on what is happening in the nation without fear, without a favor. Vice President Chiwenga is in Italy, Rome, and went for the inauguration of Pope Leo. And this is what is happening at this point in time. He's there representing or on behalf of President Emerson Mnangagwa. According to the Ministry of Information, they say Vice President General retired Chiwenga is in Rome, Italy, for the inauguration of Pope Leo. The Vice President is representing His Excellency President Mnangagwa and is accompanied by his wife, Colonel Miniotabo Chiwenga, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, Professor Amon Murwira. An estimated of a crowd of 250,000 people is expected this Sunday at St. Peter's Square, the venue of the inauguration. So this is what is happening at this point in time, and a lot has been happening. So VP Chiwenga in pictures, as you can see right there on the screen, with my Chiwenga. A lot of questions are being asked to say, why is it that the man is frequenting Rome and Italy, not Emerson Mnangagwa? Remember, he was there just a few days ago. He's there again. And we have seen other presidents, they were there in person, but it seems as if VP Chiwenga had to represent Emerson Mnangagwa at this point in time. We have seen a long composition from Jonathan Moyo. Jonathan Moyo, you know, that is the reason why a lot of people always say, once ZANU-PF, always ZANU-PF, and never trust a ZANU-PF person. That is what other people believe. So these are the photos and the pictures of VP Chiwenga together with his wife right there. And others, they've criticized VP Chiwenga for spending a lot of money just to go and have photo opportunities with the Pope. And Jonathan Moyo came and he was writing a composition. As usual, Jonathan Moyo is trying by all means possible to impress. He's trying by all means possible to be part and parcel of the future once again. And only those who never learn will support or will work together with Jonathan Moyo. Is a character which is a rogue, a character which can't be trusted by anybody. So these are some of the pictures of VP Chiwenga together with his wife. I've seen a lot of comments. But the major question is, will Chiwenga be president in Zimbabwe? Personally, I doubt, because Chiwenga, he wasted opportunities, he wasted time, he's no longer that powerful to be able to take over from Emerson Mnangagwa. And Emerson is trying to do everything he can to stop Chiwenga from taking over power. So whatever way, you won't be president, whether you like him or not. I don't think that he will be president in the nation of Zimbabwe. That is my own view. So this is it in Zimbabwe. This is what we have. And also other people who were in attendance, the president of Nigeria, Bola Tinubu, was also in Rome together with other leaders. So Mnangagwa missed this one, but his friends and colleagues were there. And that is what is happening. So this is what we have, Team Zimbabwe, for you at this point in time. And we are looking at a VP Chiwenga in Rome representing Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. The man, he has become more influential in the government of Zimbabwe, and he's trying by all means possible to appear everywhere where it matters the most. And we will continue to watch and see whatever which is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. I love you all, and let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts.